Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Eye. First, let's get you set up. Begin by downloading the DaVinci Eye app from your device's app store. Once installed, grant the app the necessary permissions, especially for camera access and your photo library. Then choose your drawing surface, whether it's a canvas, paper, or even a wall, and securely position your device above it, ensuring a clear view of your workspace. Now that you're set up, let's project your image. Open the DaVinci Eye app and select an image from your photo library, or capture a new one directly. You can then adjust the image size, rotation, and opacity to perfectly align it with your drawing surface. The app's unique projection feature will overlay this image onto your chosen surface, making it easy to see exactly where to draw. DaVinci Eye offers several advanced tools to enhance your drawing experience. Explore features like color filtering to simplify complex images, or edge detection to highlight key lines. You can also use the step-by-step drawing guides for more structured projects. Don't forget to utilize the zoom and pan functions for intricate details. Remember to save your project progress regularly and export your traced image if you need a reference later. To achieve the best results with DaVinci Eye, consider these helpful tips. First, ensure your workspace has consistent, even lighting to minimize shadows and glare, which can interfere with the projection. Second, use a stable tripod or stand to hold your device perfectly steady throughout your tracing process. This prevents any unwanted movement. Finally, practice regularly. Consistent use will significantly improve your hand-eye coordination and overall drawing skills, making you a more confident artist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.